Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are ready to begin a scheduled run or training session, Runna makes it easy to start your workout directly from the app or your connected watch. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to start a workout in Runna in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, open the Runna app, okay, on your phone, log into your account, go to your training plan. Okay, your upcoming workouts will appear on the home screen. Okay, so find today's workouts, look at your weekly schedule. Okay, tap the workouts assigned for today. You will see workout type, distance or duration, pace or effort targets. Okay, view the details before starting. Okay, so now tap the start workouts button, allow GPS access if prompted, wait for GPS to connect. A strong GPS signal improves accuracy. Okay, so during the workout, Runna will track time and distance, show pace targets, guide intervals if included, and provide audio cues if enabled. So follow the pace or efforts instructions. Now finish the workout. Okay, so when the session ends, tap finish, view your workout summary, save the session. The workout will now appear as completed. Okay, so that's it guys for today's video. This is how to start a workout in Runna. Thank you for watching guys, and see you in the next tutorial.